it simply fell down.
Oh, yes.
Into the ground and was pulverized.
Oh, conveniently.
Now,
shortly after the pandemic, or as I was saying, they demolished headquarters at 10th Ave, Quebec, along with all of the records and integrity departments, program benefit delivery, senior horizons, Canada Summer Jobs, TFWP, Work Sharing Unit. You know, in-house officer stuff, not RCMP officer stuff. Gang. You know, there was something about Building 7 that would evoke or require another internal investigation. As the Don, my trump card, is a manager of investigations in a special unit, and POTUS, next door neighbors, he's a real estate conglomerate. He knows, or he knew, 9/11 through the smoke and the interference, the structural damage, and the agencies and the IRS, CIA, all of those deep state offices in that building came crashing down and destroyed everything and all the evidence inside there. What a coincidence. The Don, Baron, Billionaire Boys Club. He's been firing people since Celebrity Apprentice. Huge settlement and malpractice. Also the indignation and dehumanization of a dedicated, haunted house husband of Chilliwack, British Columbia, RCMP, VPD, Service Canada. Yeah, you know me.